If you're looking for dogs' beds by None, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Dogs' Beds by None. Number 1, by None. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by None. Number 3. For more details about these dogs' beds products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by None. Find these dogs' beds by None at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Lucky Cat. Number 7, by None. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Elegant Home Fashions. Number 9, by None. Discover more dogs' beds by None ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.